pastry chef at Counter, and this is my assistant, Rafaela. And we're just making some cookies today, getting them ready to bake off and feel warm and delicious, right? Okay, so I need about 10 of those. Just gonna, you do them, just push down and do them kind of close to each other.
What kind of cookie?
This is a sea salted chocolate chunk cookie. So there's a pretty decent amount of fleur de sel in the cookie. Uh-oh, you got one stuck in there? Perfect. And then we're gonna sprinkle a little more fleur de sel on top of the cookie, because everyone knows that chocolate and salt go really well together. You wanna start sprinkling just a little bit of salt on these? Okay. So, but just a little bit though, because if it's too salty, then it's gonna be, you know, too much. So there's your salt, and maybe about a little pinch, okay? And these cookies go on a cookie plate with a peanut butter cinnamon cookie and a lavender shortbread. The key to doing a really delicious vegan cookie is just going by the basic rules you would with a normal dairy cookie with egg and butter. You know, just using really quality ingredients, and also having everything the right temperature, and making sure you cream your sugar and your fat together well, and also making sure that it's the right temperature when it goes in the oven. And yeah, just going with that, just the basics.